What's up, guys? I'm Natalie,
I'm Jeremy.
and today we're going to be reacting to episode 8 of Chainsaw Man. Last week I maybe think I blocked it out. What?
She threw up in his mouth, and then she snuck him home,
Yeah, that's
and then
probably why I blocked
she
that out.
she got all freaky and was like, "Let's do it,
Yeah,
let's do it, Minor. Come on."
yeah. What's up with
Yeah,
that
that's
in
what I'm
this
saying.
show? That was disgusting. The throw up in the mouth.
Let's hit play.
She's gonna catch a case.
Straight up, that's what I'm saying. Like, what is going on here? She literally picked him up on her back.
I know.
What is Makima's deal? That's the real question.
Yeah.
The way she was pounding them beers.
I don't know, but it's not good.
Yeah.
If I've gathered anything, I've gathered that it's not good.
Nobody can be mentally sane and pound that many beers and be okay. I don't want to be a part of this.
I don't want to witness this.
I don't want to be the POV. Please get me out of this room.
Maybe the age is different over there. Is that beer or throw up? I hope it's just beer.
I think I'm just gonna go with beer.
Yeah. What is this view they're giving us?
Look at him though.
He's out. I think she's totally jealous of her.
Oh, big
Probably
time.
because of Aki too.
Yeah.
No way that's gonna happen. Something's gonna stop that from happening.
No, I think he's just gonna get up and be like, "Yo."
Yeah, no, I don't want more barf all over me. Thank you. I thought he was like so desperate. This doesn't make sense with his character.
I like that he's thinking about that though.
Yeah.
Take that back.
Yeah, I was gonna say with his character, it seems like that's all he really cares about, anyways. Something's gonna happen. She's gonna throw up.
He looks like he's about to pass out. I hope that lollipop stops whatever's going on.
I think it's going to.
That sucks.
Poor guy. He can't just have one nice thing.
That does suck.
Yeah. Thank God.
Yeah, seriously. Get away from me, predator.
Hopefully she snapped back into reality in the morning.
Probably.
I hope so. Oh, I don't think it is.
Yeah, seriously.
I think she's gonna just hold that over your head and get you to do whatever she wants.
Oh, they toss you in jail, do they?
So it is illegal here.
Unbelievable. Plan A, get with the minor. That didn't work. Plan B, use minor to get me with Aki.
I know she like totally fucked up, but I like her. I think she's a good character.
Yeah. And that ghost hand.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I don't know if you want to bring Power over.
It's funny, the first episode I thought him and Power would be like a thing, and now it's like, no way. They're brother and sister. Like, no way.
They share the same brain.
Yeah. They're so cute,
that
though.
Looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, what is about to happen? Uh-oh.
Ooh! Yo, what?
Was that her head?
That was definitely her head. Bullet hole. No way.
There's no way she's dead, though. Maybe she like has like a secret, like she's like a fiend or something secretly or something, so she's not gonna die. Because there's no way she dies.
What if that's like what makes Denji all like sad and go crazy or something?
Oh shit. What is going on right now?
No way. No way. No! No way!
I started to like her in the last episode. I thought she was so cute. You're telling me...
No fucking way.
Okay, so it makes me think that this is legit. They're all dead. Everybody that just got shot.
That's what I'm saying. I think like they're actually dead. I mean, if that Kobani girl got shot, like she's dead.
Kobeni.
Kobeni, whatever. Yeah, sorry.
Chobani, Kobani.
Oh, who's that? Uh-oh. He looks like an NPC with a gun.
Oh, here goes. He's not gonna get any of these four, though.
He just whipping out his credit card or a gun?
Oh. Oh, God, not that piece of shit.
Does that kill him? That doesn't kill him, right?
No, because he's...
Holy shit. Nice.
Yeah.
Rip that guy apart.
Yeah! Oh my god.
That guy just got munched.
That was sick.
That
the way
was
he
good.
went, like, pulled out of the window and then
Yeah.
it... That was sick. Did she get shot?
No way. What?
Oh no. What?
What?
What is... Did he have chainsaws coming out of his hand? Oh no, it's a sword. Sword face! Sword man.
Sword devil? Oh, this isn't good.
Oh, he's gonna use a sword? How much years did just got taken off his life? Right? It's his sword, or is it something else?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
That guy looks scary.
Yeah, he does. Damn, he's like messing him up though.
I know.
Ooh. 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 That's what his sword does?
Oh?
My god. Who's that? No.
Wait, he's fine after that? He just took years off his life with that sword and it didn't even pay off? Oh, come on.
No.
What's up with Denji?
Oh.
What just happened? What?
No way. Who are you, bitch? Literally, get in there.
Oh my god, I was starting to tear up. I thought he was like actually dead. Okay, there's no way they're... How is he still alive after that, though?
That never turns out good.
I don't like this music. Something's about to happen that's going to be so upsetting.
This is what happened at the first episode with the dog. Oh my god.
That's terrifying.
That is... that shit is creepy.
That looks like Junji Ito.
Straight up. Where are we?
There's no way she's not.
She's toast.
Are you kidding?
Ooh. That girl's gonna do something.
No.
No way.
I'm sorry, what is going on?
Somebody's got to do something. Denji awake yet?
I know, that's what I was just wondering. Like, what's Power doing?
She's gone. It's just her clothes. Ah, not the eye patch.
Are you serious? I thought she was like going to be like a main character. I really liked her.
Gotcha.
Are you
That's the end?
That had me turn up a little bit. I'm not going to lie. Because the way that she was like, now you can cry for me, was like... She didn't even get a chance with him.
Damn. And they like kept teasing me with like other people dying. Like Aki, I thought he was toast when he got cut that first time.
I started to cry when I thought Aki was dead too. I was like, I'm sorry, absolutely not.
Denji getting blasted in the head, but I was like, oh, I think
he's fine. Kobeni and what's his face?
They're toast.
I was starting to like her finally. In the last episode, I was like, oh my god, she's so cute. Like, she's just so wholesome and cute, and I felt bad for shitting on her in the episode before, but now it's like she's gone, and I'm starting to like her.
That was a crazy one.
That was the great, like...
Definitely did not see any of that coming.
Yeah. All of that was completely unexpected. And it's, like, so hard, too, because, like, I want to know what's going to happen, but, like, I'm just not going to look anything up. Like,
nothing. I've been staying away from everything because I just want to
enjoy.
Like, I have no clue what we're getting into. So,
because that's what I was thinking. I was like, I actually had no idea. And, like, usually people spoil shit, you know, on, like, Twitter and Reddit, but I haven't seen anything. So I didn't expect that. And now I'm like, okay, where is this going?
Who's like
who else is gonna die?
Well, like who's killing them? Like, why are they doing that?
Yeah.
Right?
They all work for the gun devil, maybe. They're like possessed by him. That was crazy. Because it was all guns,
right?
Yeah.
Interesting.
And then Sword Man.
Yeah, what's up with
where was
fucking
that?
Western Family off-brand Chainsaw Man?
Yeah.
He's got the swords.
That was a little weird. And then the blonde chick. Like, what's up with this blonde chick? How she was like leaf, and then the worm was gone and the head was floating. Yeah, that was sick. I'm not gonna lie, that was like sick.
But when he does the cone thing.
Yeah.
But snake. Big ass snake.
Big ass snake. It was really cool. I'm not gonna lie.
But also, not only did she do that, She like got sword dude up. She
Yeah,
just
he was
touched
like
him.
dead.
He was dead as fuck. And then she just touched him and was like, "What'd you do wrong? Do it again." Like, and then the ghost was like, "That bitch is scary."
Yeah,
You know
like
what I
I'm
mean?
gonna stay back here.
Yeah.
She can do her thing.
By the way, that ghost was terrifying. The ghost hand when it finally
It
showed
looked
itself.
really
It's in the
cool.
intro, so now I know what that
Oh, I
is.
hadn't even noticed that.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah,
But yeah, that shit's
I want
scary.
to see like the panel from the manga of it though, because I bet that drawing looks really cool.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
All right, well, let's try and enjoy this outro.
I forgot we still have that. I'm like so locked in now. I'm just like depression.
Same.
And the sword guy was. I forgot the sword guy was the guy at the beginning that was controlling Denji. That they killed, you know?
Wait, what?
When he showed the picture of his grandpa? Sword guy?
Oh.
Yeah, that was the guy, right? That was the guy at the beginning that was
Yeah.
that was like controlling him and they killed him. So that's probably why he's out for revenge because of that.
Oh, I completely forgot about
I know.
that.
Well, because the whole
There's so
ending
much
was like
going on
crazy.
that like they just show that guy for a second. Wow, I completely forgot. Good catch. Good catch.
Yeah. I want more power. Rip.
Yeah.
You were a good one. You were adorable.
Maybe that's what she got for trying to catch a case. No, that's too soon. Sorry, guys.
Yeah. I was like I said, I really liked her still. She just shouldn't have drank that much, but like I want to know what's up with this blonde girl though, for real.
I like this. This could be like an
sick.
opening.
Yeah. I like the song too.
Yeah.
Damn, that was a good outro. That's probably my second favorite after the power. You know, the power episodes. Like I think it was like episode 2 or 3.
Yeah, this is definitely
that was my favorite one.
Top 3 for sure.
Yeah. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. And also, if you do like my sweatshirt or basically any kind of anime clothing,
and I wear those all the time in other videos too.
Yeah, so you'll probably see them in most of the videos I'm wearing stuff. But I have a small business and I make like anime stuff, Star Wars stuff, basically anything kind of nerdy. So if you want to check that out, I'll put that in the bio and I'll put it right here. And so if you want to check it out, that'd be great. And if you guys can like and subscribe, if you don't really hate us, we're trying to do this thing. It's been like 2 months of it and we're really having fun. And we get really excited every time we see like a comment or anything. So just know it like does mean a lot.
Yeah, we love replying to you guys too. So.
Yeah, we literally like I like run to like, oh my god, look, we got a comment. Like, yeah, so yeah, we would love if you guys could like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next week to find out what the hell just happened. Bye.